Quick tip for those who have already claimed their diploma, PhD of I can't cook, can't think of anything to cook. Well, guess what? One thing I've discovered, when the choir from a starving stomach is cued and it starts rumbling, guess what? If peanut butter on a stick tastes good, you'll go for it. But I have a solution for you. Rush home and you're dreaming that you had some cold cut left, so you're gonna make yourself some turkey or ham sandwich or salami. You pull the drawer and guess what? You have no cold cuts. You're in a panic. What do I do? Well, quick tip for you. Pick a little bit of that. Get yourself a tablespoon. Scoop that. Take your 2 slices of bread. Get yourself some cheese. And to top it off, you see that? Instead of mustard, some honey, and you go. You put it together, you press it down, and you say, that's unbelievable. And you go, there you go. Your most quick, delightful, delicious, nourish, cheese, honey sandwich. Take a bite. All of a sudden, there's silence down in the stomach. The ashes climb up the little intestines. And they get to the brain and they cue the choir of the stomach, ready for the conductor. You take another bite and the music starts and your brain calms down and you calm down and you ask yourself a question. Why didn't I think of that? No problem. Patrick, Muindi, 5-Star Kitchen to your rescue. Enjoy. Good for breakfast too. I'm having this as my breakfast instead of eggs and all that good stuff. My breakfast, my lunch, my dinner, my snack. A little bit of that. A little bit of that. A little bit of this. And bread. And you're good to go. So for those who have a PhD and I can't cook, can't do anything in the kitchen, granted, start your second PhD by learning how to make this sandwich. Signing off, Patrick Muindi. Have yourself a blessed, wonderful day. Get busy, exercise, let the stomach calm down, let your brain think, and be creative.